Jake from the truck shop down in Naples, Florida. This is our 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL. So for the past few years, we've built an emergency style vehicle. This year we went with the search and rescue theme, kind of to go with all the massive amounts of flooding we're having in the southeast. Being that we put a boat on the roof, anytime there's a high water rescue needed, we're ready to go. We've got a JKS suspension system on here with Fox Race Series coilovers. We got bodyguard front and rear bumpers, fenders, and sliders, as well as a roof rack and light bar mount. Wheel-in emergency lighting all over the vehicle, as well as our siren and howler system. Heist lighting throughout the whole vehicle. We're on a 40, 13, 50, 17 Fury off-road tire on a 17-inch KMC Machete. All of our suspension's been painted to match, the whole theme with the black and red, as well as the axles. So you can go to truckshopswfl.com, check out our event schedule, and see if we are going to be at an event near you.